snow something. I don't know. But that's not ice cream, people. That is snow with Oreos. This looks so good. Tastes like to you.
Snow. I'm eating snow.
Madison, how do you feel right now? It's called brownie with snow. Or at least, I don't know. I mean, yes. Guys, it's like liquid snow. Look at that. So cool.
It is 6 in the morning and I wanted to end this vlog. I'm leaving Siem Reap this morning and I'm really sad. It's been an amazing journey and I've loved being here. So thank you for following me and traveling with me on this journey. Please like this video, please subscribe, and comment down below. And yeah, you guys are amazing and awesome and fantastic, and thanks for watching this video. Quick pan, just so you can see one last time. So pretty. Alright, you guys. Well, my final goodbye from Siem Reap. Peace.